To make changes simultaneously for more than one items, the best way to do so is down through the bulk changes application. So you'll go ahead and click on bulk changes. Once it loads, it'll show you some options here. As you notice, there's the drop down, so you can go ahead and select and filter specific departments or specific categories that you want to make changes in. As a pro tip, you want to go ahead and select one department at a time to make changes. Depending on a number of items that are in the database will determine how quickly the changes will take place. So for example, if you don't select anything here, you can go ahead and notice the list of all the items that are in your department. You can also look for SKUs and certain names of an item or by price that you can search for. So for right now, for demonstration purposes, we're going to go ahead and just select a couple items to make changes on. For example, we're going to go ahead and select the non-taxable. Right now the price is set at 0. Craft beer, $5. And let's say we're going to go ahead and do the test beer as well. So we have 3 items that we've selected. Now once you select this, you want to go ahead and click on add. And this will go ahead and add it into the selected items. You want to go ahead and select on the selected items, and it will show the 3 items that were selected to make changes on. You want to go ahead and click on apply change, and this is actually where all the magic begins. You want to go ahead and select anything specific that you want to do with this item. So for example, we have price and change the taxes that you can change. You could do it by amount, by percentage. You can round it up. You can also adjust the cases. You can remove the case. You can also add, replace, or remove certain taxes. And as you keep moving forward, you'll notice that there's multiple things that could be done, including bottle deposits and CRV. They could be added all at once. And additional features that we have here, such as changing departments, updating packs, applying EBT, and so on. So for right now, we're going to go ahead and just apply and change the price on these items. So for example, let's say these 3 items, I want to go ahead and change the price to $10. And this is going to go ahead and change for all 3 items that I have listed, and it's going to change it to $10. So whatever the price is, it's going to change it to $10. And that's all I want to do. So once I'm done, I'm going to go ahead and click on apply change. The system is going to reload, and our items that had the prices changed will show up as the first items on the top of the list. So if you notice, here's my craft beer. The price has changed to $10, non-taxable $10, and test beer $10 as well.